be waiting for us. Come on, let's drive to the mall. This is the party rockin'. Okay, stop. I'm scared to jump down. I got you. Oh, I'll climb. Ow! I fell down. I fell. Ow!
I said they'll be waiting here for us.
Yeah, I don't know. It's taking them forever. I'm just laying on you. Yeah, me neither. Well, I especially don't know. It's taking them forever. Yay, we finally jumped up this parked camper there. In the parking lot, of course. Hi, friends. We invited you to the party. Party. Yay, party time. Okay, if only we had a solution to get home. Get home? We're not taking the camper. We got pulled over by the police, but somehow they didn't show that.
Sorry. Sorry for burping.
It's fine, Dragon. You'll get the point. Come on.
Sorry for burning your butt.
Sorry for burning your butt. That's fine. Okay. Ow! Somehow I have a problem with my back. I'm right on top of you like a handsome prince. Don't tell Bugs Bunny. Please don't hurt his feelings. And Miss Sophia, is that fine if I brought my chupa? My chupa's from ELS. What about me? They're pretty much squished.
Okay, hold on.